What's up, guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you're having a great Friday. We're doing some tinting today. I don't do this stuff. This is the first time for me, so I'm really excited to try this out, and I hope I don't wreck it. What I am doing, so I've actually never done this before, but I'm gonna be doing this Nightshade by VHT. I've actually brought another VHT product for a later video. I'm gonna be wrinkle painting or wrinkle coating, whatever it's called, the intake for my Evo 10, which I'm really excited to do that, and I've never done that one, so I'm doing a couple new things, and I like to do new things, new learning things, learn and make the mistake, and then learn again and how to fix it. So today I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing with this. I did want to show you before we jump onto the front of the car. I did cut this, and it did not have any sticking issue at all. So people said, hey, you're gonna melt your bumper. I didn't melt it at all. There's perfect clearance on there. I just put a little cleaner spray right here. But yeah, it's nothing touched. So I think I did a really good job with that. There we go. That looks good. I'm glad that it did touch. I think it looks great. I'm in love with this exhaust. Okay, so this is what we're doing today. So if you guys look at this car, absolutely extremely aesthetic, phenomenal, gorgeous. I really like it. I'm still kind of deciding if I should paint these black or not. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Should I paint these all black or leave them as is and just lower the car? Lower the car by 2 inches is what I'm going to be doing. So imagine 2 inches. Oh, that's going to look good. We'll do that with the stag springs later. But this is dark. This is now dark. This is dark. This is bright. Way too colorful and chrome and shiny. So I'm not gonna mask all this up. I was thinking about doing that, but I'm just gonna remove these headlight or fog lights and then paint them. And I'm gonna do like 5 or 6 coats and do a how to tint your fog lights on a Celica GTS. So let's do that. So I'm gonna lift up the car and then remove each fog light. And if I struggle doing that, then I'll remove the whole front bumper. But let's go ahead and lift the car up and see how easy it is or how hard it is to remove a Tsunami fog light. Let's do that right now. All right, so we have the GTS lifted up. I know I should be using jack stands. I'm actually out of jack stands. So I'm gonna lift it up, and then we're gonna come behind here, and then you guys can see 10 millimeter, some clip. I have no idea what that is. 10 millimeter. So we're gonna just start doing 10 millimeters real quick here to see where we can access that fog light. I think it's right there. Okay, so we've removed one of the plastic underliners, oil pan for 2ZZ. Here, and then I undid these right here, this clip, 10 millimeter, and then I have a lot of room. And then here is, so if I can probably just, right here, can you guys see this? Yeah. This is the fog lamp. So we're gonna unplug this power to it, and they do work, so I don't need new bulbs. But I will do new bulbs soon. This is pretty easy access. I'm gonna feel around here, and I assume that there's a 10 millimeter or some kind of bolt or screws that are holding this in, and hopefully I can just get this thing to pop out. So after doing a little bit more research, I didn't really want to do this, but I am gonna remove the front bumper due to, I found out what it is. There's actually three Phillips heads that are holding it in place. Interesting. That'd be really hard to get a screwdriver up there. So let's go ahead and do the 10 millimeters. By the way, 2ZZ is freaking clean. Oh man, that is awesome. Good. So we're just gonna go across here and do the front bumper. All right, awesome. This is perfect. So we got the bumper off, as you guys can see right there. That's the Tsunami. I think it's pretty dirty behind there. Looks really cool. This is my favorite thing ever. Walmart, you guys know Walmart, everyone knows Walmart. It's a Hyper Tough. This thing I think was $19, $19.99. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it'll save your life. Now if you want a big electrical impact one, I don't have one of those. I actually use a Craftsman air compressor, but this for $19, and then you can get one of these extenders to put a 10 millimeter on there. You can have the front bumper off in like 10 minutes. So I love to do everything very affordable. Yeah, I know the Apex exhaust was expensive, but this I highly recommend this. I don't have any affiliate link or anything, but this is awesome. So I'm actually gonna remove this, it's a, I can't think of the word right now, but it's a front bumper, what is the word? Reinforcement. So a reinforcement, I don't really want it. all of them come with it. All Celicas come with it. But I don't ever want them. I usually just pull them off and throw it away. They're like these little, look at this. Right there, see that? That's how it fits in there. And then there's another one on this side. It's not heavy or anything. It's just a reinforcement in case the bumper gets bumped into, so it doesn't, maybe it won't have to damage that and they won't have to replace it. But I don't think I'm gonna be running into anything, so I don't want that. I'm gonna remove it and then I'm gonna clean all this. Okay, I think like 10 years ago, I actually already did this. My friend had one of these Tsunami Celicas, a red one, and I think we did it a long time ago. I actually did not need to remove the front bumper. The way that you get this off is really interesting. So you have to pinch this little black part right here, and then you have to, this slides in here, and then that one slides in here. All you do is pull on this and pinch that little thing out and push it and it'll pop right out. Look, now we have a fog light out, cool. This is what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and grab the other one off the other side and we're gonna start painting this and we'll clean that. I'll clean it all, but you guys won't see all that. I'll just show you the final product. Next step, so I cleaned this one. I actually used brake cleaner to clean it all off. You can see it's in better condition. We are gonna paint this one and then I wanna show you, here's what it looked like before. All dirty, and it's kind of sticky, tacky. There's some I don't know what's on it. But I'm gonna clean it so that it gets really ready for paint. Now I know people use rubbing alcohol and they use, they might even do a light sand on it, but I don't think I need to do that. When I use the brake clean, it really cleans everything off. So if you want to use the brake clean, this is the way that I'm gonna do it. I recommend using it this way. Okay, so those are the fog lights, cleaned, ready to be painted. We're gonna be using this. This is VHT Specialty Night Products. Turn day into night. So all it does is tint these. So what I've seen in previous videos and what people have done is about 4 coats. I want it to be pretty darn dark. So I'm actually gonna go with 6 coats and I'm just gonna go far out, and then keep on doing that. I'm gonna let it dry and I'll do about 5 to 10 minute intervals so I don't get any streaking. So let's go ahead and do that now. So this is coat number 1. It's been about 7 minutes. I went and cleaned the front of the Tsunami bumper, so we're gonna do round number 2 and see how it goes on. It's already looking a lot better. Okay, so it's starting to get a little bit darker outside. 5 coats is what that looks like. It's pretty dark. You guys can see me in there, the reflection. I'm really excited. So what I'm gonna do now is put them back in. I'll slide them back in and then we'll put the bumper back on. I did clean the back of the bumper. It looks beautiful. And then we'll go get some some cinematic edits. Okay, I just popped them in. Are you guys ready for this? Look at this. Oh my gosh. Dude, those look so sick. They're like an extra set of like, oh, I don't even know. I'm so glad I did that. What? Yes, yes. So I'm actually gonna be adding a special little lip to this later, but I am gonna put the bumper back on, but I think pretty soon I'll have the bumper back off, but let's go ahead and reinstall the bumper. Oh my gosh, that's so sick. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Look at that. Whoa, that is so good. So what I actually really noticed from this angle now is there's this new line that I didn't have before, and it's this. This is the new body line. You guys can see that too. Oh, what? Oh, I'm in love. That looks so good. Oh my gosh, the Tsunami is so sick now. What a transformation. That is the biggest front end transformation so far. It just looks like a big intake now, like right there. Oh, that looks so good. So it's not the cheapest paint, actually, to be honest. Amazon, it's like 25 bucks. I couldn't find it at any other auto part store, but at the auto part store it was like $17 or $18. So I can see why people buy the can and then feel guilty and like go do the headlights and the tail light. Yeah, that doesn't look good to me. Just small things, like I'm not gonna touch those headlights. I love how crisp and clear those look, but those are insane. That looks so good to me. With the lights on, they look okay because they're incandescent bulbs. Same with the headlights, they're still incandescent bulbs. I will be switching those out for a LED pretty soon, real soon actually. I don't know when that'll be, but one of my newer videos that'll be coming. Oh my gosh, this car looks so good. I am so happy. I'm gonna be putting a special front lip on the front of this to make it look a little bit even lower, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna put it on before or after I actually lower the car. Lowering the car is quite a bit of work. It takes a whole day in my opinion because I can't stop cleaning stuff. Like I want my cars to be perfect artwork pieces. If you guys don't remember, my last GTS that I just had was perfect. And it was really good. I'm trying to make this one look like it. I love the look of this exhaust too. The rear end of this car is really coming together. Look at that. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I just think that once I lower the car, it'll look way better. I still want to go maybe with a TRD high style. I still want to do, to wrap this. Definitely want to lower the car. I gotta do an intake. I want a TRD fuel door. I would please, if anyone has one of these, I would really love to have that. So if you guys can help me find a TRD fuel door, just send some links to me. You can send it on Instagram or wherever, but I would love to have that. Need to tint the car, but overall, that is amazing. That is how you do smoked fog lights. Wow. So if you like these JDM style Supra Celica side markers and the bright LEDs, they're available on my website, swing by MITCHDORE.com. Make sure to hit the like button for this video if you want the LEDs in there. I also have the TRD steering wheel, which everyone loves. If you guys want a TRD steering wheel, there you go. Love that right there. Oh, the dome light. I forgot we did a dome light. Check this out. Wow, that's so bright. That's crazy, so bright. If you want one of those, go by my website. I'll leave it like that with the door open. And then also, another popular item, oh, I turned the lights off, are going to be the license plate LEDs, which I think these look really good. So if you want a set of those, perfect, swing by. Oh, that looks good, that looks good. Oh, and I also have some of these too. If anyone needs bolts, nuts for the license plate, I have some of those as well. But wow, that looks so good. I love that exhaust. All right guys, so make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, I really appreciate it. This car is really coming together. This is a special car. Wow, I love those fogs. That really changed the whole car. Again, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe guys. I'll be back, lots of more mods on this. Let's do a turbo kit on, man, let's do a supercharger. MR2's turboed, 2ZZ turboed, Lotus, supercharged GTS, ooh. Put like 225, 230 down, that'd be sick. I really like this car. I think it's really good. This is a special car. Again, make sure to hit the like button guys, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.